Hi and good evening, everyone. I'm Lisa, and my field placement currently is at a homeless shelter for single adults and families. This shelter particularly collaborates with other community agencies to get them the needed resources and including assisting them with safe, affordable, and stable housing. One of the things that I really enjoy about my field experience thus far is dealing with a variety of populations, from young adults to the older adults, from the formerly incarcerated and to those who are fleeing domestic violence. You never know who's walking through that door, and I really love that. Another thing that I enjoy is setting goals with my clients and watching them achieve the goals, watching them build their confidence and be able to get them out of their homeless situation into a better situation. I really, really enjoy that. One of the things that challenges me is when I can't help someone, or when I really want to help them, but they don't want to help themselves. You can't help everybody, and you can't help those who don't want to help themselves. And watching them is the biggest challenge thus far. Also, time management. I am a busy single mama with a special needs kid and I work full time. So just all the craziness that life brings you, and having the time to do another shift after a long day of work and try to get the time in by the end of the semester. That's really a stressful, I think, most challenging thing for me. And then lastly, what have I learned about myself through my field experience? Thus far, I think I've learned about myself is learning how to be more patient with folks. I'm so passionate and motivated to help individuals, and again, I need to meet them where they're at and in setting those goals and to achieve them, even if they don't even want setting goals. It's just learning how to ask, okay, so what can I do for you, and what can I help you with? What do you want to gain from this experience here at the shelter, and how can I help you achieve those goals? A lot of times I get too passionate and in a rush and I want to go, go, go. So I learned how to slow down, and I learned how to just communicate with the variety, because all walks of life is walking through that door. So you kind of have to adapt to every situation. And I think that I'm able to build a good rapport with my clients because I learned to adapt to their situation and to address their barriers that they're going through, and kind of work around their barriers and face those barriers, work through it to get them where they need to be. All right, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, please reply, and I look forward to this last semester. I'm so excited to graduate. Have fun. Bye.